Writing style, engaging. Hey, fellow explorers. Have you ever thought about redefining what travel means for you and your family? Well, let's dive into how working parents are turning the tide on traditional vacations to make every journey unforgettable. In a world where remote work has become the norm, parents are finding innovative ways to blend work responsibilities with family adventures. Imagine working from a cozy cafe in Paris in the morning and then spending the afternoon exploring the Louvre with your kids. Sounds pretty cool, right? But it's not just about the exciting locations. It's about the quality time spent together, learning and experiencing new cultures as a family. This shift is seeing parents prioritize flexibility in their jobs and schooling for their kids, choosing destinations that offer both educational value and fun. And get this, communities around the globe are catching on to this trend. From co-working spaces that welcome children to family-friendly accommodations that feel like a home away from home, the world is becoming more accessible for traveling families. So, whether it's turning a business trip into a mini family vacation or taking a semester abroad with the kids, the possibilities are endless. Parents are now crafting travel experiences that educate, inspire, and bring their families closer together. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what it means to travel, and remember, the world is your classroom and playground. Safe travels.